How to copy the link of a YouTube short video. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your YouTube short. For example, I have this video. As you can see, and I want to get the link of it so I can share it with my friends. For example, all what you have to do is simple. Click on this share here, this share icon. Now after you click on the share icon, you will find copy link right here. Click on it. Now the link is copied successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.